Hello guys, welcome back. I'm your host DV from DV Photo, and today I'm gonna do a very different video than what I always do, and that is because I'm gonna be using preset. You know that I haven't used preset in my videos, but on this one I'm gonna use preset. This is a photo I took in a studio for a customer client. That was a while back. By the way, this is DV from DV Photos. Sorry, I haven't made no video because I'm being sick. Please subscribe, leave your comment, put thumbs up, and I hope you appreciate the content that I'm putting. So, like I said, this is a client that I took this photo a while back, and I was using my Sony A7 Mark II with the full frame lens, the 50mm f1.8, and you can see I was shooting ISO 800. I was not using no flash. I was just using the lights of the studio. The lens already 50mm. I was shooting a aperture f 4.0. The shutter speed, it was 1/250 of a second, and this is good. The histogram, like you see here, is very good. It's not that bad. Always try to get everything perfect on camera. That way you have less edit, less problem in your editing your photos. So now this, remember that I said I was gonna use preset. The preset that I'm using here is from Visco film package 1 for Sony for Sony lens, since this is a Sony camera, since this is the profile for Sony camera. I'm using Lightroom CC. Now what I'm gonna do before everything I begin is hit reset, so you know everything is here is reset. There's no adjustment done. Yes, it looks a little color cast because of the lights in the studio. Remember, this is it's sharp. It's a sharp photo. You can see his hair, very nice. I like this photo that I took of him like that. And we was playing around in different stuff, and this is one of the photo that I took. This is very nice. Also, what I'm gonna do is now is get the white balance. I know his hair is black, so I'm gonna click on the hair, and that brings the color out. Or I can hit in the back, and that brings it out too, because I know the background was pure white. This is like a little yellow, so I didn't want to do it there because there's a little bit of yellow. Now they give you a package. I got a different package, but this package is the most that I used, the first one. And what I like about this package is the number that I like about this package is the this one, the Kodak Portrait 400, and I hit that, and that looks beautiful. Look at that, before and after. I love this. This is nice. I love it. You can play around with it after you're done. If you don't like whatever, you can do a couple of adjustments. So I'm gonna bring a little bit vibrance on top of it, because all the presets you can play around and adjust it. Now I'm gonna get a brush right here and get exposure. That's a little bit too much. Of course, I don't want to do that too much. Just bring his eye a little bit. I'm gonna bring this to about 15, just to bring his focus right here to his eyes. And I'm gonna bring a little bit of clarity, just 9, and that looks good. I'm gonna zoom out. That looks good. Try to get everything perfect on camera. That way you don't have to do a lot of crazy edit. This is a beautiful photo how it is right now, and you know, just a little bit of edit if you want to. What I'm gonna do is right here, get another brush. And with this brush, what I'm trying to do right here is get these get these colors right here to pop out a little bit more. I'm gonna delete from there. Now these colors, sorry, I'm gonna hit exposure down. I'm gonna bring it to contrast a little bit on his pants and his the pants and a little bit of the shirt right there. Contrast, bring a little bit of saturation on it, and there's not that much I can do to this photo because I think I did a good job on when I took this photo, and the preset helps me a lot. And you can see the preset right here, all the adjustments that have been done. You can see right there. You can go in luminance and all that stuff. Is beautiful. It was great. One thing, I go here, I click here, and I want to bring his face a little bit more up. There you go. I did that little bit of adjustment. That looks great. I like this photo. I love this preset. And till next time, please take care of yourself. I'm Divi from Divi Photo, and this. Let me show you before and after. Look at that. Before and after. Boom. Simple, easy, fast. One click on the keyboard or the mouse, and that's how it was. That's a big difference. Look at that. That's beautiful. Before and after. So try to get everything right in camera, and that way you later on when you get the photo in your computer, you just can do this simple and easy and fast. I got a bunch of them, so if I want to put the preset in all of them, I just put them all and it will be beautiful. But that's nice. So until next time, I'm your host Divi from Divi Photo. Please take care. See ya.